Hi guys, let's start off with the ArcoLinux app and let's just run it. So thanks to the help of Drunken Alcoholic, our code is in the middle. So whatever we do, like a clean, Backman cache clean is right in the middle. And all the others probably as well, but I haven't tested it yet because then it takes a while to wait again. Although this one is actually the one where I want to change, apply best servers. There you go, it's in the middle. Now, the apply best servers today, I must disagree, those are not the best servers. So, in the functions pi, I'd like to change something. Somewhere, oh yeah, true. Where is it coming from? Well, actually from the script, I think. Best art servers. So this is the one that we now have. And I'd like to make a suggestion, a change. These guys are actually better. So these guys go to the top. Osbeck goes up and the mirror goes down. I have been having issues with mirror rack space lately. So not only it goes down, but I have preference, they have preference over, not preference over kernel.org. I trust that one more. And even this guy here is in my eyes better than rack space. So rack space goes down. It does. So there it is. Save. And it's happening with this format. I thought it would change things, but no. So server sudo t. Okay, let's test it. So the n mirror list, no. The narco, no. The n mirror list, correct, is this. Rack space first. If I do update, this happens. When I run the application, which I just closed, then I'm going to change it. Apply best servers. And now it should have changed. Did I not save it? Save. Best art servers, deleting. Yeah. Probably is going to go to get the server not from here, but from, yes, user, share, and so on. So that's changed for next time around. We do see the message, apply best servers, okay. Change the content. And this communication, oh yeah, I remember. Now I remember. So it's called mirror Osbeck and all that. Control find Osbeck. There you are. It's just communication with you guys, which means these three need to move up. That's our order of things. And even this one today. Was it like this? Mirrors or geomirrors? Before geomirrors. It's the same. First kernel, then the geomirrors. Okay. Save, and now it's gonna be exactly the same. True, there is no quit button somewhere. Actually isn't. Could be nice to have a quit button somewhere. No idea. So installing, and then we have apply best servers, and now we see Osbeck mirrors kernel geomirror. That's our change, and that's done. Do we see it here? And voila, it's done. All right, cool. It's not coming from somewhere else. It's actually from the application. Cool. So that's the first change. And let's cut the video here. I know it's short, 5 minutes, but the server's changed. If you see things like that, it's a fail-safe, a kind of backup thing, so that can go. Now that the status bar is working, you can always get the older stuff from GitHub, so that every single time we make the star GZs, this is the one we're using now. This is the one we started with, we tested, we changed, and this one becomes the default again. So these two guys, you can download them if you want from the old versions. And here we have a smaller name again, which means I have to change things up here. At the very top, there's a path and name, a variable that's going to be here. So these are the constant variables, hence the capital letters. Save. Testing it again. Done. Okay. So, yes, a quit button. Well, there is a quit button up here, and Super Q is working, right? It is really up. Do we need it? Now, it's 6 minutes, right? Let's continue. Ctrl-Alt-E. In ArcoLinux, I'm not always on ArcoLinux, so when you are on another system, we have mirrors, and there is something called pace. Now I wonder, yay, pace. Yeah, that is a problem or not. It's not on the repos of Arch. Repos, the repositories of ArcoLinux. That's a long list. So let's say that the pacman is not available, meaning I'm on Arch, and Nemesis is not there either. No problem, because pace is not there. If you do now a yay pace, or better still, a sudo pacman minus s pace, you know if it's gonna work or not. So Arch does not provide the package pace. That's a trouble. That's not okay. I was thinking the following, so I should have stopped the video there. I was thinking of adding it. What is pace? It's an application where you can say, I don't want this, I don't want that, and have a look at the elements that you have, wherever you are, whatever system you're on. There are quite a few things we can decide to do differently, like the mirror list here, and that's where we were working at. You say, okay, I want to have this one first, and then I think it's a bit strange to grasp, but first you do a preview and then you do a save. That's how it works. And now mirrors is first. So that's what I thought of adding, but as long as you can build pace, so I'll not add it to the application as such. And that'll be that. So what was I thinking? Testing it, and mirror list, did it change? Mirrors kernel is now at the top, which is not what I want, but why not, right? Let's test it for a day. Fine. So that's that, and that's our change we've made to our app. Let's keep going just to recapitulate, and if that's already the 20th time you've seen it, you can move along. So let's have a look at the code. What did we now do? We've changed, we throw out all these files, that's the red thing, and made it the GUI. So that's a lot of information. You need to scroll through. But this is what we changed, right? The mirrors. That was the topic of the video. So up it goes. He's trying to resolve something. Okay. So new order of best ArcoLinux servers. And that's cool, right? That is cool. I want to get rid of all those stuff. Those are hidden stuff. This needs to go. That's unhidden stuff. Tilt and hashtags are things that are not used. Should be not online, not in the package. If you do that, you go to the internet. Oh, it's there already. Cool. So just the one. That's nice. Number 14. 2305 14. Enter. No typos allowed. Go on. Package build it. Package build it. There he is. 14. Go to the repo. It's gonna be there any moment now. Up it goes. Press enter. You made a typo. Press enter. You made a typo. Press enter. Wait. It's there. Press enter. And then later on we'll do an update. And that's that. And here the video ends. Yes.